Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gears and Glitter. Today we're going to be talking about, y'all might want to have a seat, grab a snack, grab some water, popcorn, soda, because it's gonna be a show today. I'm about to get lit right now. This story, I have actually stayed quiet about it for a while because I don't like to start drama, and I'm not gonna say any names or anything just to kind of somewhat keep it that way. If they come out and say something, that's on them. But basically, to give a rundown real quick,
I have my car plasti dipped. I chose a color. They sent me the sample and a picture and a video and different lighting, so I was like, okay, yeah, it's a pretty good idea of what I thought it would look like. So I got the car, and I chose a dark maroon. It came out a pink with bronze on top. Bruh. Long story short, other people in the car community on a car page called them out about it, and because I had been talking about it, I posted the sample, I shared it with friends, and they're like, this is not the color that they sent you. So we're going to be going over that story today. So why don't y'all chill out for a minute.
It's also 12:45 and I have to be at work at least 8 a.m. I'm going in early, and I told them I might come in at 7:30, so. I was like, I wonder if I still have the messages between me and this business. And I actually pulled them up and I read like one, and I immediately, just a flashback to the emotion, and I just got mad and I had to just close it out. I was like, no, I want to have genuine reactions to this when I do the video, so, oh boy.
So I'm gonna go into detail. Basically, I had saved up a lot of money to have my car plasti dipped. I think it came out to a total of $1,200 for it to be the wrong color. I chose a maroon color. I'll put a picture of it here, and then a video that they did here. Yeah, so I thought it was beautiful, and they added an extra flake onto it because I'm a person that loves glitter, Gears and Glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. I said, hi, I'm finally looking into getting my car dipped soon and would like to come back and look at y'all's colors. Do y'all have any free time this weekend I could stop by? And they said, sure thing, we'll be here tonight if you ship a Jeep delivery.
I got a bad feeling about this.
The Jeep part, they were there when I showed up to look at colors, and I remember they had complained that the girl that was picking up her Jeep said, oh, that's not what I was expecting. The person that works there said, well, that's the color they picked. I'm not sure what they expected. So this is another thing, and I've actually heard from a lot of other people that they have dipped their car the wrong color, and even other people that have gone to other places. Like someone said their car was supposed to be purple. It came out a sky blue. That's not from the same place, so I just want to be technical about that. But I've heard from other people that, you know, through the grapevine, yeah, they did my car and it wasn't the right color. Okay, now it's starting to come back to me. So I went in and I was looking at colors. I remember I told them I wanted a deep maroon. They tried to sell me on like a blue-green color shift. And it said the other colors that you liked were Venom, Black Hole, Vero, Maria, and take another peek at Lunar, and a few others on this link. The samples are pretty true to life on this website. So that was something that kind of irritated me, that I said I wanted a dark maroon, and they're trying to sell me on other colors. So thanks for the help. I'm excited to see the end result with the Vampire Blood Flake. Thanks again, and I'll check those out. Yeah, that's a lot darker.
Hey, what happened?
So in the picture, they did walk around, they showed me the flake, did my deposit. Ugh, I want to throw up. I actually forgot about this. So they wanted me to be a sponsor car. We are last night, and we have a question to ask you. Would you perhaps be interested in being a sponsor car for us?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah. So I was reading it, and oh my god. Well, accurate. They're probably gonna think I'm shady as So I was reading that to y'all, and as I was scrolling, you know how you kind of like hold down the screen and scroll? I hit the frowny face on there, so they're probably gonna see that. I mean, I'm sure they'll see the video anyway, so YOLO, I guess. Damn.
Help! it looked so good though when it was matte black. I should have just kept it matte black. They had a professional detailer come in and clean it, which was really nice.
But it was still salmon colored.
You know, I'm trying to be really nice and really positive, but also share this experience with y'all without being
too rude, although I should be.
Oh, okay. So they were talking about how it was taking too long and that they're sorry, all that. I said, that sounds awesome. I definitely understand it's a process. I would rather y'all take your time and it come out the way it's supposed to.
Take your time and it come out the way it's supposed to.
It was in direct sunlight in this picture in a garage, and so I thought that that was going to be the lighter color. And then that's crazy how it goes from that to another color, and then it looks like they just sprayed over the old color. That was my thing, is why do you need the speed shape next to it to prove that it's the right color? So that's the thing that I was kind of like, why do they need a speed shape and it looks really orange? Immediately in that picture it looks completely different than how it looked even before too. So hello, I totally forgot to take these while spraying. Seeing things full scale always looks so different. I think that's why I started taking these pics.
No, you started taking those pics because y'all sprayed something extra on top of my liquid wrap. It wasn't that color before in the speed shape. It wasn't the color when it was already sprayed out. It was the color after it was completely done and you couldn't change anything.
I said, yeah, it looks more orange there than the original, I think. I sent them a screenshot of the video that they sent me out in direct sunlight. It was in direct sunlight, it looked completely different.
Okay, so that night they go, how well is the car going over? Are people liking it? Is it weird coming out and seeing your car a different color? I didn't respond for 3 days. Said, everyone loves the flake and loves how it looks like paint. It's definitely different seeing it this color. And then 20 minutes later I said, it's definitely different from the color on the speed shape. Larger scale makes a huge difference. I said, I had just hoped it would be a good bit darker, like the dark maroon that I was talking about. Again, it was in fact the color you picked. We have no way of knowing either what any color will look like full scale. Until it cures more, it might change. So I understand, and that's perfectly fine. I'm just kind of amazed at how orange it came out when the speed shape had more of red undertones. Thank you again, we don't want to charge you, but we can't absorb the cost unless, of course, it was something that was defective on our part. You get the idea. We will test as many pearls as we need to if you decide to change it. We stand behind our quality and our service. Hopefully you are at least enjoying it. See, you may change your color every few months anyways, winky face. Thanks for working with me. Again, I hate to complain about it because the quality is great, and it was a great top coat and the flake was beautiful, but it was really disappointing to be planning for this for so long and save up money when you're in school and not having as good of a job as I have now and being like, yes, this is it. I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. And it comes out salmon colored. Good luck, and it was a pleasure to do your car. Sorry it wasn't exactly what you were looking for. My closing thoughts are, you should just take people seriously no matter their age. So much that I want to say, but I don't want to, you know, like they said, thanks for not bashing us. And I don't want to do that. I do just want to share my story and hopefully kind of help other people see the negatives also of Plasti Dip, that things can happen. You know, they're not the only company that has done this, so do your research. That was huge disappointment, huge waste of money, so just think about the money that you're putting into it and the possibility that it's not going to go exactly your way. You're putting all your faith in somebody else's hands with your car and your vision and your project. So just think about that. Do your research. Just try and talk to people that have also gone and look at reviews. Get your butt off the couch. Stop getting on the couch. So that's my story. Moral of the story is don't approve the color of your car over your phone. It is what it is. I mean, people make mistakes, whatever, but that's my journey, and I hope to never make that journey ever again. What's your opinion? Leave a comment below on your opinion of the situation and what you think I should have done or what you would have done differently. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got some good stuff coming out soon. Right, Coot? And again, thank you guys for watching me be mad.